I am Fred Kowal, President of United University Professions, the statewide president, representing faculty and professional staff at 29 SUNY campuses, plus system administration and the 3 SUNY hospitals at Stony Brook, Brooklyn, and Syracuse. I also am a member of the National Wildlife Federation Board of Directors. I would like to begin by acknowledging that we stand upon the ancestral homeland of the Haudenosaunee indigenous nations, specifically the keepers of the eastern door of the people of the Longhouse. Though I am not of that people, I call attention to their continuing struggle for sovereignty and the protection of their nation's people and our natural world. In their teaching, we who are elders are called upon to weigh our decisions based on what the impact will be on 7 generations in the future. Well, we are gathered here to support an action that the people of this state can and must take that will make the lives of the 7th generation potentially healthier, safer, and more complete. Thanks to the entire coalition that has organized this important event, and UUP will remain a strong supporter of the Clean Water, Clean Air, and Green Jobs Bond Act. I believe that all New Yorkers must embrace this opportunity to take on the existential crisis created by careless actions of generations who have endangered our environment, altered our climate, and threatened the lives of millions. Now, why does UUP support passage of the Bond Act? One of the lessons of this pandemic has been the importance of public health. And the Bond Act will have a direct impact on the health of New Yorkers across this state. UUP members at SUNY's public teaching hospitals have been on the front lines of the pandemic for over 2 years, fighting to save lives and protect public health. We must do everything we can to honor their work and to assist them by supporting measures like this that will not only protect our health as New Yorkers, but also preserve the world in which we live. It's that simple. Advocating for climate action and environmental justice is not new for UUP. We have been advocating for a cleaner, more sustainable future for our communities for years, and we will continue to do so. We have argued for the past 5 years that SUNY has a unique capability to be a lead institution in the fight to stop humanity's descent into the climate catastrophe we've created, as well as finding ways to mitigate against the worst effects of the climate crisis. The Bond Act includes $1.5 billion for climate change mitigation, including $400 million for green building projects, including those on SUNY and CUNY campuses, along with $100 million for climate adaptation and mitigation projects. This funding would jumpstart the necessary steps for SUNY to be that leader in specific projects, but also in tapping into the brilliance and commitment of UUP members and our students. UUP stands with all those committed to a brighter future, and it is appropriate that we do so. After all, as educators and healers, we are always looking to the future, and we see that future in our students and our patients. We in UUP stand ready to continue to spread the word that a yes vote on the Bond Act is a must. We owe this to each other and to future generations, down to the 7th generation. Again, thanks to all who have joined today. Our collective work is now more important than ever. Join me in voting yes on the Clean Water, Clean Air, and Green Jobs Bond Act. Thanks.